away in one corner of the country, Dungarpur in Rajasthan is one of the most backward districts in India. And yet, since 1987, Dungarpur has also seen one of the most successful women self-help group-led microfinance programs in the country. That has helped nearly 40,000 poor tribal women save more than 7.5 crore rupees and take loans of more than 40 crore rupees with a repayment rate of 91%, where the loans have been used to finance assets, livestock and other livelihood-related activities. The Federation employees have for years ensured that all monetary transactions are recorded properly, bank installments are honoured, and that extensive, detailed books of accounts are maintained for each of the thousands of women in the microfinance program. The recording systems in place were foolproof, but also expensive, time-taking, labour-intensive and complicated.
हमारा स्केल काफ़ी बड़ा है। अभी हम लोग 40,000 मेंबर्स के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, तो उनका अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम और इनका जो मैनेजमेंट फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है उसको मॉनिटर करना काफ़ी मुश्किल काम था।
Thus was born Project Mitra, or the use of mobile information technology for rural advancement. Every month, when each of the nearly 2,000 self-help groups now meet, the Federation field representatives arrive with a phone that asks simple questions that require very easy answers pertaining to regular savings and loan transactions. When all the pertinent information has been entered, a printout is generated that acts as a receipt for the SHG member. Once information is entered into the phone, it is sent as an ordinary SMS to a central server kept at the district headquarters, where all records are updated immediately. Every member is given a number. Each self-help group, cluster and federation are also given different numbers. It is this that helps the software update each transaction quickly and efficiently. The new information is available online immediately and can be printed out at any point and by anybody. Reports too can be generated immediately for not just individual members but also each group, cluster and federation.
अभी तो हमारे एक नो हिसाब कंप्यूटर में मिल जाता है, तो बहुत फायदा है, बहुत विश्वास है मन।
The benefits are manifold. On the one hand, it allows the core team to take on a more supervisory role rather than being involved in everyday nitty-gritties. It also helps save on operational costs. On the other, it drastically reduces paperwork and time taken by the Federation staff in collating data on and monitoring all transactions.
स्टाफ का काफ़ी समय बच रहा है। एवरेज महीने में कम से कम 7 से 10 दिन तक हर एक स्टाफ का समय बच रहा है। दूसरा ये है कि अगर जो समय बचा है उसका उपयोग हम लोग जो मेंबर्स हैं उनके लाइवलीहुड के लिए लगा रहे हैं। तीसरा ये है कि हम और एरिया हम लोग और ज़्यादा इसमें कवर कर सकते हैं एसएचजी प्रोग्राम में। एक ट्रांसपेरेंसी है, टाइम सेविंग है, मनी सेविंग है, ये सारी चीज़ें उसमें से निकल रही है।
Project Mitra has thus shown how technology can be married with the lives of poor women to help in development initiatives across the country. Benefits from the project. Project Mitra has created a sense of ease with technology in local communities, besides resulting in savings of nearly 9 lakh rupees each year. Mitra has also reduced the time taken for collating records by nearly 30 days. This extra time is now being used by the employees to counsel the SHG members on livelihood-enhancing skills and issues like health, education and nutrition, resulting in not just more prosperity, but also an accelerated pace of change in the lives of the people.